Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace door handle on Fiat 500 full guide. Begin by removing the interior trim panel using a trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver. Then disconnect the actuator and linkage. Keep track of screws and clips. Compare the old handle to the new unit for fit. Transfer any rubber gaskets, and reinstall in reverse order, checking function before finishing, and test both locks and latch operation. Start by laying out all tools and replacement parts on a clean work surface to stay organized. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, Torx bits, trim tools, needle nose pliers, a replacement handle, and new clips if needed. Double-check that the replacement handle matches the original and that you have a soft cloth to protect paint. Always disconnect the battery if you will work near electrical connectors for safety. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more handy car DIY tips. It really helps the channel. Also, check out the device I use for reading instructions on the go. The new Kindle Paperwhite is light and easy to hold while working. Look in the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the interior panel by prying trim clips gently and unscrewing fasteners. Then lift the panel away carefully. Detach the door latch cable or linkage and unplug the electrical connector for the lock actuator. Remove the old handle assembly and note the orientation of any gaskets or foam pads. Transfer them to the new handle. Fit the new handle into the door. Secure screws and clips snugly, and test the handle for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.